Okay, so we're going to try the monologue again. This time what I'd like you to do is to keep the same objectives, keep the same cap. You can play with the tactics that we've already looked at, but what I'd like you to do this time is to raise the stakes as high as you possibly can. So any way in which you can get him to leave, given the constraints of the way you're being filmed, being the constraints of the way we're recording it, you can really go for it, okay? Yeah. So think of the most fun ways and the most kind of interesting ways and dynamic ways of achieving that cap, okay? Great. So when you're ready, 3, 2, 1, action.
I was 9 years old, at a birthday party, at a friend's house. She had an older sister. I felt butterflies. And I didn't know why at first. I just looked at her, this girl. She was wearing a leotard. It was a fancy dress. She was a cat. And I just knew that there was something going on. And I didn't know what. And then all at once, it hit me and I realized, oh God, I like girls. And I waited for it to go away. I tried so hard to make it go away, and it didn't. And even when I was going out with boys, even when I went out with Josh, I couldn't say it, but I knew deep down that I like girls. I like girls. I like girls. And I've always liked girls, and I still like girls, so who are you to tell me that I don't? When I've accepted everything that you said to me. You want to be a man? Fine. You need to change your name? All right then. You want to wear these clothes and lift these weights? Whatever. I've accepted that because it's what you want, what you need, who you are. Fine. And I've tried to change. I've tried so hard to change, but there are just some things that I can't change. Some things that I don't want to change because they're part of who I am. And why is that less important? Why do I just have to stand aside and deny all that because you're going on your own personal journey? I want you to be happy. I want you to get what you want. But what you want is to kill the person that I love and replace it with someone that I don't. Someone that I can't. Because I'm gay. You want to be a man, Adrian? You want to be a man? Fine. But I like girls.
Great, thank you.